everyone. Hello everyone. Happy New Year. Welcome to Dash of Spices. My name is Juna and my daughter is Jazzy. Today we are going to do our first unboxing video for the year 2020. No, for the year 2020. Oh. This is our first unboxing video for the year 2020. So it has been a great 2019, and we're hoping we're going to have
a good 2020.
A good 2020.
And if you didn't see the other
unboxing video, check that out. I'm gonna provide the link down below in the description box. So last Christmas, I got something that I always wanted for a long time, very long time, and I always go to the store and I check it out and I feel like grabbing it, but it's just so expensive. I always wanted one, and so this Christmas, my honey and my bunny got me a KitchenAid. I have a hand mixer KitchenAid, but I never had this type. It's heavy. Always wanted one. So I unwrap it, of course.
And there's still wrapping paper on it.
Yes, they did a good job hiding it from me. And I thought they got me a really
the one that you had again.
Yeah. No, I do have a KitchenAid hand mixer one.
I've always been wanting this one.
I've always been wanting this one, so now I'm excited to unbox it. I haven't seen what's inside. I just see what's the outside. And if you have
Did you show them the color? Oh yeah, it's on the side.
Blue. It matches. I like the color blue.
It matches with her.
Yeah. If you have one like this, and if you have like any suggestion, maybe how to clean it, or what was the first dish you made using the mixer, and I know she wanted to do a tiramisu.
Again.
So that's what we're going to do, is create a tiramisu, and I will try to create a little clip because we already have a video on how we make our tiramisu. So let's unbox this one. Okay, watch out, babe. There's a knife.
And we're gonna open it on 3.
No, wait. Watch out. Be careful because they do package this really, really good. So.
No, I was gonna say in 3, 2, 1.
Wait.
I see something.
But it comes with that. Oh, that is so pretty. Hold on. Let me put this on the table.
Oh my. Oh, it's so pretty looking and shiny. Whoa.
Hold it.
Okay.
Hold it.
That's so
Hold the box. Hold the box, babe.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Can I use it as a robot?
Okay, Jazzy's done. Where's Jazzy at?
I'm right here.
So it has the instruction. I've been watching some videos of this one. How to use the this type of mixer. Comes with the attachment.
Oh no.
So there's one attachment.
Here's some instructions.
And here's another attachment. Hold on, babe.
Whoa.
Can
we make pancakes?
Yeah. But we only make little pancakes, so we don't have to. I just need to find a spot where to put this in my tiny kitchen. Cool.
I think you're supposed to lift this.
Yeah, I do. Wait.
Because it can't just
It is heavy, guys, so be careful. Wait. No, don't do that. Are you okay?
Yeah.
I bet it hurts. We try to figure out. Oh, that is so pretty. There you go. See how to lift it.
It's a big, ginormous teacup.
Hand wash only. Washing in dishwasher will cost wire whip to this color. So hand wash only. That's what I normally do with my other stuff. A hand wash. I never put my other kitchen equipment in a dishwasher. I will just hand wash it. This is actually pretty. It is pretty good. So the only thing is it doesn't come recipes like the other kitchen gadget I have. Kasori have a recipe. Ninja has the recipe. My Instant Pot has a recipe included. No, the Instant Pot came with the recipe, but this one didn't came with it, so kind of disappointed with that. But yeah, I didn't see anything. So definitely read the instruction. It comes with this. Shows you how to detach the attachment, and even shows how to clean it. So basically it's the same as the other. Let's unlock it. Once it's down like that, make sure to put it lock back. So make sure that is locked, so it doesn't go down. Like a while ago it just shut in front of me. So make it unlock, then you can put it down. But if you lift it back, make sure you put it locked. You don't want to get your finger stuck in there. So this is how you detach it. You have to make sure the thing is aligned right there. And so you just push it up, align, and take it down. And so if you want to replace it with a different one, make sure you align it to that space right there. You align it to the lock. And then there you go. It's set. And so there's the other stuff right here. This is where you could attach more accessories, I guess. Right there. I think this is like when you're making like a pasta or something. Again, I'm still learning. It's my first time of having this. I always wanted one. I was so happy that they got me this. I started from a hand mixer KitchenAid that I got from the thrift store for $5. And I got this, a brand new one. So I'm so happy, and I'm excited to share to you guys a recipe. We'll make one. Again, we're going to make a tiramisu tonight. I'm just going to clean this. So unlock and put it down. There you go. And lock it. I'm so excited. I love the color. We are gonna try this KitchenAid for the very first time, and we have a choice to make tiramisu, but we don't have lady fingers enough to make a tiramisu, so we're gonna make a brownies. I always have a brownie mix in the house because my daughter likes brownies. So let's start doing that. I'm gonna use this attachment, and this is locked right now, so just unlock that. There you go. It's heavy, so, and push that in and twist. And basically this brownie mix are just, you know, just mix everything together. I'm just using a brownie mix powder. That's from the box. I don't mind buying this if they're on sale, and this was on sale like 2 for $5. I think I got this at Safeway. So just put everything together just like that. And also the egg. I'm basically just put everything together to see if this will do the job. I mean, this is a very expensive equipment, so I'm hoping it will. That's 2 eggs, vegetable oil. I'm also gonna put a pinch of salt. And I will add the water as we mixed it. The consistency, I still want, even though the box says 1/4 cup of the water, I want to use, I don't want to put that 1/4 cup, maybe I just need a little. So lock this, and then I'm just gonna do a stir at first. See? Whoa! 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 That was wild. Let's see. Maybe it was because it was too close.
Can I take a look?
Yeah. So we
That
have.
was loud.
That was loud. So
That was really
that
loud.
was the first one.
But can I look at the batter?
Yeah. Hold on.
Wait,
Something. We gotta lock this.
I see
guess.
some.
No, it just literally went
Literally.
flying.
Oh
Went
my.
flying all over the grid.
You made sort of mess.
I know, I made a lot of mess.
No,
So
sort of.
there you go. Make sure your thing is locked. That was a mistake. So Chelsea, don't block the.
Why I like this is because I get to lick the spoon.
So let's just do a stir first. Much better. So make sure you lock
Oh,
the bowl, because I didn't do that. So while it's mixing, let me grab the camera closer. Look at that. How nice is that? It's better than my hand mixer, so it's really, really good. I like it so far. So let's stop that. I'll move this camera on the other side. So here you go. So I push it to 0. I was just stirring it the whole time. Now let me add some water. The consistency is actually good. Let me taste it. Oh, that's good. Let's add water. So as you can see, the batter is a little bit watery. So I'm just gonna add like maybe a teaspoon of flour, and I'm continuously stirring it till I get the consistency just like that. And also a few drops of pure vanilla extract, so just a little drop. There you go. A bit of Hershey cocoa powder, half a teaspoon. There you go. Just wait for that to mix. So far it's really doing its job. I like it so far. Now let's just let that mix a little bit. That's still a little bit watery. That's all right. We can always add extra flour. Oh, there's another teaspoon. Another teaspoon. Put that down. Lock. Stir. Unlocked. That is good. This is it. That's what I want it to be. Just like that. Make sure we take this out so we won't make a mess. Turn it around and there you go. Out. Let's take this out. Put this back. It's pretty heavy, so I suggest put it in a one area, the same area, so you don't have to keep moving it. I like to wipe it right away because the color of it, again, it shows the dirt right away. So if you could wipe it as soon as you're done using it. My baking sheet. I just put a parchment paper in there, and I'll just put that thing just like that. leave it like that. And this goes to the oven for 350 degrees. We are going to let that bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. So we're just gonna continuously checking it to see if it's ready. So far I like this, guys. I hope you get yourself one. I know it's pretty pricey, but it's worth it. I love it so far, and I can't wait to make more baking or recipes using this kitchen gadget. So until next time, again, thank you.